Once upon a time, on a warm summer day, a mother duck's eggs began to hatch. One by one, fluffy yellow ducklings came out. But the last egg was bigger than the others. When it finally cracked, out came a strange-looking duckling. Gray, large, and very different. All the other ducklings laughed at him. "You are so ugly," they said. The poor duckling felt sad and lonely. Wherever he went, everyone made fun of him. Time passed. The ugly duckling grew bigger. One day, he saw beautiful swans swimming in the lake. He looked at them with admiration. But when he saw his reflection in the water, he was shocked. He had grown into a beautiful white swan himself. Everyone admired him now. The duckling who was once called ugly was actually the most graceful of all. Moral of the story? Never judge anyone by their looks. True beauty comes with time and from within.